Welcome, fam. Welcome to day 30. Continue the rhythm. Continue the rhythm. Day 30 is the second last day of a 30-day reset. We still have that one bonus day tomorrow. And today we're focusing on continuing the rhythm. First Philippians really gives us, it's deep. It's a very deep chapter because you hear Paul contending with his spirit, contending with his position. And he's encouraging the church. It's like, is this the last time that I'll see you? He doesn't know what's going to happen. He doesn't know. It's almost like a goodbye letter that he's writing right there. Different from the other letters that we've read from Paul. And as we come to the end of the reset, this is something that is not just going to end. This reset is something that was just supposed to help you restart, figure out, where am I? How do I return back and build a rhythm with God and build a relationship with God? So as always, we're going to pray and we will reflect more in depth on First Philippians. After that, we'll look at our journal prompts. And then from there, we'll look at our community posts. And one of the things that I should point out, so if you're watching this video just on YouTube or anywhere else, and you're not part of the community, I encourage you to sign up and join the community. The link is going to be in the description. And the reason is that once you do this reset on your own, whether you're at home, wherever you are, for it to really stick, you need to be part of a community. You need to be surrounded by people. Yesterday, I talked about immersing yourself. If you're trying to get rid of habits and things that you feel like, okay, this is holding me back. I'm trapped in this pattern. When you immerse yourself in the Word, immerse yourself in Scripture, and to really make it stick is to actually put yourself and surround yourself with people that are also focused on the kingdom, people that are working towards the same goal, so that you can support each other. When you feel like, okay, it's getting hard, it's getting tough, I'm falling off, having that support really makes a big difference, because we can't do everything on our own. We still need the body of Christ. We still need other believers to surround us in whatever we're doing. And the purpose, again, for the community is to help you with the reset, getting back to where you want to get to in terms of your faith, fixing your mornings, getting into a rhythm with God, where you're putting Him first. And by fixing that, I believe that everything else in your life follows, whether it's your health, physical health, could be your emotional health, could be your financial health, anything that you need to improve your wellness in, could be your relationships. It starts with your relationship with God, followed by how you treat yourself as a person, your body being the temple of the Holy Spirit. Then when you fix those two, your spirit, your body, it helps with your relationships. Your relationships become easier, more manageable. Your thoughts become healthier, and they become positive thoughts that help you build